early autumn in the Canadian Arctic, and polar bears are gathering on the coastal strip, waiting for the sea to freeze. But a life spent alone on the sea ice is no preparation for a crowded beach. Such close contact with other bears must be stressful. Surely tempers will flare. Over half a ton of bear slams into the other. There are plenty to go around, so there's no need to squabble over them. Any fighting is just for fun. The bears select sparring partners who are well matched, and they always pull their punches. No one wants to get hurt in a play fight. Perhaps these bouts are a way of testing rivals in case they ever meet again out on the sea ice. One thing's for sure, the famous loners are revealing a social, playful side we rarely see. It's all just boisterous fun, but with so many big males around, the females keep their cubs at a safe distance. The wary mother will lead her young to a quieter beach along the coast while she waits for the ocean to freeze.